So we're in Clovis, California, just finished installing a new water heater. I'm gonna just take a quick video here. I got a couple of still shots of the serial number that's on the side of this water heater. You can't see it once you install it, but we got the serial number and of course model number. And we'll go ahead and get this registered with Rinnai, and once we do that, they're going to upgrade your warranty from 1 year labor to 5 years labor because you have this flush kit on here. So anyways, and this 109-000-375, it's a new door. So the newer units sit deeper, so this one actually is sitting out of the box, so this cover will not work. This is the part that you'll have to order. We can order it on your behalf if you'd like. We'll install it for free, but you'll have to pay for the door. I think the last one that we got a price quote for is like about 90 bucks out of Ferguson. So we'll look for that today, and of course we're going to talk to you in a minute before we leave and let you know what we have to do. But this cover won't work on this anymore. So let's start with the water heaters. RL94, like talked about, EN, so that's external natural gas. And you know, a couple modifications. They're a little bit taller, a little bit deeper and whatnot, so the mounting screws there in the back, we had to drill new holes. You can see on the left hand side, that very far left screw hole. Can't use it because this bracket is longer. The water heater's taller. No big deal. So drill a hole, put the nut in, drill a hole there, put a nut in. No big deal on that either. And then up here, we flip the bracket around so you can see it's hanging correctly here. In the back, we give you a couple more screws. You know, this is all that it does at the top. It just hangs off of this screw. Not a big fan, but that's Rinnai. That's their box, so no big deal. But we did give you a couple of self-tapping screws back there, 3/4 inch long, just for fun. So the water heater's installed. Everything else in here is existing. So the gas shutoff valve, that's yours. The gas supply line, that's yours. And it goes and ties back in. This cord that was on the old water heater, we reinstalled it, so that's yours. Of course, the wiring we did, obviously. And then, of course, the thermostat goes in. It's hooked in. You're probably going to have to go into your laundry room or wherever the controller's at and reset it. Might be at 104 degrees right now, so just go ahead and set it to 120 and you should be fine. Isolation kit comes with it, so it's Rinnai, made by Matsui. Cold side, hot side, and we're going to send you the documentation on how to utilize these valves. We recommend minimum once a year, and if you're enthusiastic about the water heater, every 6 months. That's how often we flush ours. So we'll send you the link to the flush video from Rinnai. Also, we'll send you links from Amazon for the submersible pump and hose kit. And then once a year, you just go out to Walmart, get yourself 4 gallons of distilled white vinegar, and you're good to go. So everything's back together, cover's on. It's summertime, so we're not anticipating rain, so it's fine if the cover's off. Like I say, we'll get with someone, whether it's Ferguson or anyone else. We've got the part number right there. We'll get that door out here. They're a little fussy to install. You could certainly do it yourself, but I don't think they come with these little pins anymore. It's just a big box, and you know, big cover. It's thicker. It's like this right here. Sits out about like that, you know, to allow for this new water heater to hang in there. So anyways, just give us a holler when you get that. We'll probably we might just ship it to our house, and we'll give you a holler when we're done. But anyways, the water is back on. You should be in good shape. Hot water in the home. Outside of that, this installation is done.